So let's get started. And this was our Python program. And just make sure these both are running. You have to do this only during testing. And once we deploy this application, we don't have to do this anymore. So first of all, to send media as a reply, you'll have to assign response.message to a variable. So let's use MSG as the variable. And I'll just minimize the terminal. And minimizing does not actually terminate the processes, it'll just minimize the terminal. And after that, just type in msg dot media brackets quotation marks. In this quotation marks, you'll have to type in the URL of the media. So I'll just get a random image from Unsplash. So source.unsplash.com/random. This will generate a random image. So I'll just copy image location. If you're using Chrome, then it'll be copy image link. Just click on it. And in this media, I'll just paste this. Okay. And save it. Now let's test it. Open your WhatsApp and let me just send hey. And as you can see, there is a post request and we have got media as a reply. Now you can do this with any media. You can send videos, you can send PDFs. Just you'll have to paste the link of the media in these quotation marks. Like if at all you want to send your own media, like if at all you want to send your photo or any photo that you have taken, you can use any hosting services. For example, you can host it in Google Drive and then copy that link and paste it here. Now I'll just show this with PDF as well so that it will be clear. So I'll just type in sample PDF and as you can see this is the file and let's copy and paste it in these quotation marks. And then save it. And the server is restarted, so we are free to test. So I'll just send hello. And as you can see, we got sample.pdf as a response. So it's quite simple. Now, if at all you want to send multiple messages, you can also do that. Just type in msg1 equals response.message. Let's send good morning. And they are restarted. And I'll just send hey. So as you can see, we've got good morning and the PDF file. So this is how to send multiple messages and also how to send media as a reply. Now we'll learn how to actually get text and number of the person who has sent a WhatsApp message. So back to PyCharm, getting text and WhatsApp number is actually quite easy. All you have to do is just declare a variable, let's say text equals request. We'll use request dot form dot get. So we'll get the message from the body attribute and number will be in the from attribute. So number equals request dot form dot get of from. So this attribute will give us number and body attribute will give us the message body, that is the text that they have sent. Now let's use this text and number in a reply. So let me just remove this because it's not really relevant now. To use variables in a response, you need to type F and it goes before these quotation marks and it enables us to use variables inside these quotation marks. And this was introduced after Python 3.6. So if you're running a version of Python before 3.6, then you'll have to implement this differently by using plus and then the name of the variable. But now it's actually quite simple. If at all you want to use variable inside these quotation marks, you can just type in F and then use variables inside brackets, that is text, something like that. So let's respond with a message which includes the text. Let's reply with thanks for contacting me. You have sent, let's put this in quotation marks, text from number. If a person sends hi from, let's say, 12345, he'll get a response which says, "Thanks for contacting me. You have sent hi from 12345," so, or something like that. Okay, so let's save it and test it. So, yeah, this is my WhatsApp. Now let's test. I'll send good morning. So as you can see, thanks for contacting me. You have sent good morning in quotation marks from this WhatsApp. I have truncated the last two digits of my number just to be private. You can try and guess if you want to. Anyway, as you can see, this number is not exactly just a number. It also includes this WhatsApp colon. So let's just get rid of that. To do that, just type in number equals number dot replace of, we'll replace WhatsApp colon with nothing. Okay. Now it will just show us the WhatsApp number. Let's go ahead and save it. And the server is restarted. Now let's test it. Let's say yo. As you can see, thanks for contacting me. You have sent yo from just the number. So this is how you can get the person's WhatsApp number and the message. Now I'll show you something called conditional response. And that is, as I've told you before, is one of the most important things.